Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 2 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction 3 digits, and the lessons we're going to cover today are write the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits, balance subtraction equations up to 3 digits. Then we'll start the new chapter, that is place values, and the lesson from the new chapter we're going to cover today are place value models, tens and ones, and then regrouping tens and ones. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtract the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits. Let's just start with the first lesson. Subtraction 3 digits. Let me just go to subtraction 3 digits. Okay, here is the lesson. We're going to write the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits. Got it? Let's just start with the first lesson. So we're going to start with the word problem. So let me just read the question. Listen to me carefully. The art teacher has 968 pencils. 63 of them are colored pencils. How many of the pencils are not colored pencils? So the total pencils are 968, and out of 968, 63 are colored. You have to calculate the pencils that are not colored. Got it? So you have to subtract 968 minus 63. 968 minus 63. So you have to start subtracting from the ones digit. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. And here you have 9. That means out of 968, 905 pencils are not colored. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay. Logan and Brenda swam in a relay race. First, Logan swam for 65 seconds, then Brenda took over and finished the race. Their total time is 108 seconds. How long did Brenda swim for? So, Logan swam for 65 seconds, and the total time they both, Logan and Brenda, covered together is 108 seconds. You need to calculate the time that Brenda swim. Got it? That means you have to calculate the one Logan swim, subtract the from the total time. Got it? So you have to do 108 minus 65. Got it? 108 minus 65. Okay, so start subtracting from the ones digit. 8 minus 5 is 3. 0 out of 6, no, we cannot subtract 0 out of 6, so we have to borrow 1. Here you have 10. So 10 subtract 6 is 4. And you borrowed 1 from here, so here you are left with 4. That means 43 seconds. The swimming time, Brenda, is 43 seconds. Got it? So the correct option is 43. Okay, a cook fed a total of 577 people. The cook fed 22 people. How many adults did the 22 children? How many adults did the quick cook feed? So the total people cook fed are 577, and out of 577, 22 of them are children. You need to calculate the adults fed by the cook. Got it? So you have to subtract chil- child from the total one. Got it? Subtract the children out of the total. Got it? That means the rest of them are the adults. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5. That means out of 577, 22 are the children and the rest of 555 are the adults. Got it? So the correct option is 555. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is Tommy wrote a total of 462 songs in his career. Out of these songs, 26 were popular. How many songs did Tommy write that were not popular? Got it? So the total songs are 462. And out of the 462, 26 were popular. You need to calculate the songs that were not popular. So you have to subtract the popular one out of the total. Got it? Just do 462 minus 26. So it will be 12 take away 6 is, you cannot subtract 2 out of 6, so you have to borrow 1. It would be now 12, and here you are left with 5. So 12 take away 6 is 6. 5 take away 2 is 3, and here you have 4. Yes, hi. So that means the unpopular songs are 436. Got it? So the unpopular songs are 436. If you have any question, just write down the question in the chat box. Okay, Kina runs his own baking company. This morning, Keenan's workers baked 56 apples. They also baked some more after lunch. In total, they baked 878 apple pies. How many apple pies did Keenan's workers bake after lunch? Got it? So before lunch, they baked 56. And after lunch, the total are 878. You need to calculate the one that are baked after lunch. So you have to subtract the one they baked before out of the total one. Got it? So it would be 878 minus 56. So 8 take away 6 is 2. 7 take away 5 is 2 and 8. That means after lunch they baked 822 cookies. Got it? Apple pie, sorry, not cookie. So the correct option is 822. Okay, the next one is Mr. Strickland donated 42 picture books to the library. Now the library has 184 picture books. How many picture books did the library have before the donation? So after donation, the total books are 184. Got it? And she donated 42. You have to calculate the books that are before donation. Got it? Before donating 42 books, you have to calculate how many books library have. So you have to subtract the one Mr. Strickland donated out of the total one. Got it? 184 minus 42. 184 minus 42. Got it? So 4 take away 2 is 2. 8 take away 4 is 4, and here you have 1. That means before donating 42 books, they have 142 books in their library. Got it? Before Mr. Strickland donation, they have 142 books. Got it? Okay, the next one is the Klein family eats cherry and grape jelly on their toast. They have combined. What's wrong with you, DJ? If you have any question, just write down the question in the chat box. The Klein family eats cherry and grape jelly on their toast. They have combined total of 329 grams of jelly If they have 67 grams of grape jelly, how many grams of cherry jelly do they have? So basically you need to calculate the cherry jelly. The total jelly is 329, and out of 329, 67 is the grapes jelly. So just subtract the grapes jelly out of the total one. 329 minus 67. Okay, 9 take away 7 is 2. You cannot subtract 2 out of 6, so you have to borrow 1. Here you have 12 and here you have 2. 12 take away 6 is 6 and here you have 2. Got it? That means the cherry jelly they have is 262. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is balance subtraction equations up to 3 digits. Okay, let's just start with the first one. So basically you have to balance the equations. So balance means both the sides of the equation must be equal. Got it? So here you have some of the missing numbers you have to find. Let's start with the first example, that is 492 equals 492 minus this number equals 496 minus 8. Okay, just look at the equation. Here you have given one number and one number is missing. Here you are given with both of the numbers. So first of all, you have to solve the side on which you are given both the numbers. Got it? So just solve this side. Just subtract 8 out of 496. So 6 take away 8. No, you cannot subtract 6 out of 8. Got it? Because 6 is smaller than 8. So you have to borrow 1. Here you have now 8 and here you have 16. Got it? So 16 take away 8 is 8. Bring the 8 down and here you have 4. So that means on this side you are left with 488. Got it? So here you have 492 minus the missing number. So subtract 488 both sides. Got it? Because on this side you are left with just 488. So just subtract 48 both sides. So 492 minus 488 is, just subtract 492 minus 488. So you have to borrow 1. So 12 take away 8 is 4. 8 take away 8 is 0 and 4. So here you have 4 minus the missing number equals 0. Got it? Because 488 minus 488 is 0. Got it? That means this is the missing number you are going to find. So basically the missing number is 4. Got it? You can subtract 4 from here and then both sides of the equation is equal. Got it? Because we know that 4 minus 4 is 0. So that means the missing number here is 4. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. They are already solved. That's why I'm going to start with the test questions. So let's just start with the first one. The first one is 256 minus 8 equals the missing number minus 1. Okay, so let's just solve this side. Got it? Just subtract 8. 256 out of 8. You cannot take 6 take away 8. You have to borrow 1. So here you have 4 and here you have 16. So 16 take away 8 is, so 16 take away 8 is 8. Bring 4 down and 2. So you are left with 248 here. Got it? So just subtract 248 both sides because we need to make 0 here. So 248 minus 248 equals 1 minus 248. Got it? So 248 equals 0. So here you have 249. That means the missing number is 249. We got it because we know that here you have to find some number that can subtract it from 249 makes 0. We know that 249 minus 249 is 0, isn't it? This one is given, or so this one is missing. Got it? That means the missing number is 249. Got it? The correct option is 245. Okay, which number makes the equation true? 591 minus 9 equals missing number minus 1. Okay, so let's just subtract 9 out of 591. You cannot subtract 1 out of 9. Got it? So you have to borrow 1. Here you have 8 and here you have 11. 11 take away 9 is 2. Bring 8 down and here you have 5. So it is 582. Got it? That means 591 minus 9 is, that means 591 minus 9 is 582. Got it? Okay, so here you have 582. So here you have 582 equals the missing number minus 1. So you can add this number to the other side. It would be 582 plus 1. So it would be minus 1 plus 1. Here you have 0. So the missing number equals 583. Got it? That means the missing number is 583. So the missing number is 583. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. It's okay, you don't need to be sorry. The next one is missing number minus 3 equals 661 minus 4. Okay, let's just subtract 4 out of 661. Got it? One take away 4? No, you cannot subtract 1, so you have to borrow 1. It would be now 11. So 11 take away 4 is 7. So here you have 5, 6. That means here you have some missing number minus 3 equals 657. Got it? So here you have 3. Add 659 to both sides, 1567 to both sides because we need to make 0 on this side. So that means you have to subtract 657 from both sides because 657 minus 657 is 0, isn't it? Okay, so on this side you are 0 and 651 and 3 is 654. Got it? That means the missing number is 654. 650. Oh, 657 plus 3 is 660 it is. Got it? So the correct option is 660. You have to add, not subtract. Got it? So it is 660. Got it? Okay, the next one is 590 minus missing number. 590 minus missing number equals 583 minus 2. Okay, just solve this side. Subtract 2 from 580. Got it? So it would be 583 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Right, 8 and 5. That means on this side you have 581. Got it? So just subtract 581 both sides. Got it? It will be 590 minus 581 equals 581 minus 581. So 590, just subtract 590 out of 581. So you cannot subtract 1 out of 0. You have to borrow 1. Here you have 1 and here you have 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So here you have 9 minus missing number equals 0. So 9 minus what number makes 0? 9 minus 9 makes 0. Got it? That means the missing number is 9. Got it? The missing number is 9. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Okay, let's just move on to the next lesson. We're going to start the new chapter, that is place values. Let's just start with the next chapter, that is place values. Here is the next chapter. So we're going to start with the very first lesson of the chapter, that is place value models, tens and ones. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, which place value model shows 67? Here you are not given with the options, so let's just start with the test questions. Got it? Okay, what number is shown? You have to count the number. You have to see what number is shown. Got it? So, so basically, each one block represents 10. Got it? Each one you can count. These are the 10 small boxes. So one of them represents 10. Then again 10. Then this one represents 10. Then this one represents 10 and this one represents 10. And 1, 2, 3. So add up all the 10s and 3. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10. That makes 50. Got it? And 50 plus 3 makes 53. Got it? You have to just add 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So it makes 53. Got it? Okay, the next one is which place model shows 84? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? 84, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the first one makes 84. Got it? The second one makes more than that. The small blocks are more than 4. So the first one makes 84. Got it? Okay, what number is shown? 50, 100, 150. Which is the correct option? Which number is shown? You can count like this. In this way, they are 10. And this way, they are 10. Got it? That means they are 10 times 10. They are the 100 blocks. Got it? When you have 10 like this and 10 like this, they makes 100. Got it? That means 10 rows and 10 columns together makes 100. Got it? So the correct option is 100. Okay, the next one is which place model shows 17? So which one shows 17? Option 1 or option 2, which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2, which one makes 17? Yes, the second one makes 17. Got it? The one complete line makes 10 and then you have 7 small, so it makes 17. Got it? So the second one is the correct option. Okay, which number is shown, 74 or 75? So which is the correct option? Yes, it represents 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 4, 74. It represents 74. Very good. Okay, which place value model shows 48? Option 1 or option 2? Which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option because it makes 48. You can count these, they are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one makes 48. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? 50 or 49? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 1 to 40 and 9. Yeah, very good. It makes 49. So the correct option is 49. Okay, which place value model shows 64? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? 64. The second one is the correct option. The second one makes 64. Got it? Okay, what number is shown? 73, 74. Which is the correct option? Which one makes 74? Yes, it makes 73. Got it? The correct option is 73. Got it? Which place value model shows 96? So which is the correct option? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 96. The second one is the correct option. Got it? The second one makes 96. So the second option is the correct option. What number is shown? 75, 76. Yes, it is 76. Got it? The correct option is 76. Which place value model shows 19? Option 1 or option 2? Which one makes 19? Yes, the second option is the correct option. It makes 19. What number is shown? 85, 86. Yes, very good. It is 85. Okay, which place value model shows 34? Option 1 or option 2? Which one makes 34? Yes, very good. Option number 1 makes 300. Option number 1 makes 34. Got it? Okay. Which number is shown? Which is the correct option, 66 or 67? Yes, it is 66. Got it. Okay, which place value model is shown? 15. Shows 15. So which is the correct option? Which model shows 15? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, very good. The second one makes 15. Got it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 2 maths. The chapter we are working on is three-digit subtraction. The lessons we have covered today are write the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits, then balance subtraction equations up to 3 digits. Then we have started the new chapter, that is place values, and the lessons we have covered from the chapter is place value models, tens and ones. Got it? So these are the lessons we have covered from the chapter subtraction 3 digits and place values. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.